So let's see now. Today we have to discuss question number 6 of exercise 4.1. The strength of the class is very less. How many are there total?
$25.
25. Still 15 are left. 16. Including me it is 25, no? Okay, so let's see question number 6. Do you have any problem till 5?
No, ma'am.
Question number 5, is there
No,
any
ma'am.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So let's
No,
see
ma'am.
question number 6. Set up an equation in the following cases. You have to set up the equations only. Clear? And the same question is in the last exercise. There you have to solve it. Okay, so let's see question number 6. Irfan says that what he is saying, he has 7 more than 5 times the marble permit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take M to be the number of permits marble. Clear? Irfan, he is saying कि he has 7 more marbles. Means that उसके पास 7 extra है. किससे? Then 5 times the marble permit has. परमिट के पास जितना मार्बल है उससे भी 5 times plus 7 more marble that Irfan has. 7 more marbles he is having than 5 times of the marble permit has. Clear? Now Irfan, he is having 37 marble. Here clearly it is given कि take M to be the number of permits marble. Let the permit is having M marbles. Irfan, he is having already 37 marble. He is saying, and also he is having 7 more marble than 5 times the marble permit has. So 5M plus 7, this much marble Irfan is having, and Irfan is also having the 37 marbles. So they both are equal because these this set of the marbles, only Irfan is having. So it will be 5M plus 7 is equal to 37. Is it clear or any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
7 more, it means that plus 7. 7 ज़्यादा है उसके पास. We will add 7. Then 5 times the marble permit has. Let the M, that is the number of marble permit has, that is M. So 5 times of the M, that will be 5M. 5M plus 7. This much marble permit is having, and permit is also having the 37 marble. So according to the question, the equation will be 5M plus 7 is equals to 37. Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
Anyone of
ma'am.
you? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So let's see the next question. Question number 2. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Is given that his father is 49 years old. It is given that his father is 49 years old. Fine. 49 years. He is 4 years older than. He is 4 years older than whom 3 times the Lakshmi's age. Take the Lakshmi's age to be y years. It is given. Father की age already दी हुई है, that is 49. And also it is saying कि he is 4 years older. He is 4 years older. मतलब वो लक्ष्मी से अभी 4 years older, मतलब 4 साल अभी और भी बड़े हैं. Then what 3 times the Lakshmi's age? Whatever the Lakshmi's present age is, he is older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Clear? So according to the question, it will be 4 years older. It means that plus 4, 4 साल बड़े हैं. 3 times Lakshmi's age. It is given that कि let the Lakshmi's age to be y years. So 3 times of the Lakshmi's age, it will be 3y. 3y plus 4 is equals to 49. That is
49.
father says. Clear? So according to the question, it will be 3y plus 4 is equals to 49. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Are you
No,
sure?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Try to solve the next question. Teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. Highest mark is equal to twice the lowest mark plus 7. Directly it is given, and highest marks is already given, that is 87, and it is given that ki take the lowest score to be L. Highest score is equal to how much? Twice the lowest score plus 7. Do it and tell the answer. Solve it and tell the answer. Solve it and tell the answer. See, you need to tell the equation only. Don't tell the answer. Why all are leaving the class? See, I'm not going to teach you again these things. 12 plus 7 is equals to 87. Okay, good. Akansha. Fine. So I think it's clear, is it? Yeah, good. Fine. Okay. So let's see the next question. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Let the base angle be B in degree. Remember that the sum of angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Already it is given in an isosceles triangle. So anyone of you can tell about the isosceles triangle? What is the isosceles triangle? So please tell it ki what is the isosceles triangle?
That one side is different and both sides are equal.
Very good, yes. So in isosceles triangle, yeah, anyone else? In a triangle, if two sides are equal, then the triangle is known as the isosceles triangle. An equilateral triangle when the all sides are equal, and the scalene triangle is that when all sides are
No sides are.
different. Now, yeah. So equilateral triangle, equi means all sides equal, isosceles two sides are equal, and in the scalene all the sides are,
No sides.
yeah, different. They are all are having the different measures. Now, so let's see the question. In an isosceles triangle. So let this is the isosceles triangle in which two sides are equal. These two. The vertex angle is twice equal to the base angle. Clear? The vertex angle is twice either the base angle. Wait, someone wants to join. Vaishnavi Misra. Why you are coming very late, Vaishnavi? If these two sides are equal, so there is a property angle opposite to the sides are also equal. Clear? So opposite angle of this side will be this, and opposite angle of this side will be this one. If these two sides are equal, so these two angle will also be equal. Clear? So we can say that ki in isosceles triangle two sides and two angles are equal. In equilateral triangle all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. And in the scalene triangle none of the side and none of the angles are equal. Is it clear? And it is given that ki the vertex angle is twice either the base angles. So let the base angle is x. If this angle is x, this angle will also be x. Clear? If this angle is x, this angle will also be x only. And it is given that ki the vertex angle is twice the base angle. If the base angle is x, so vertex angle will be 2x. Here it is given b, you can take as b also. Clear? So it will be 2b. Fine. This one it will be 2b instead of x.
Ma'am, 2b is equal to 180 degree.
Yeah. Fine. Clear? So the equation will be x plus x plus, sorry, just a minute, b plus b plus 2b is equals to 180 degree. Clear? Here it is written ki, remember that the sum of the angle of the triangle is 180 degree. So it will be b plus 2b, it will be equals to 180 degree. So 4b is equals to 180 degree. And if you have to find the value of b, it will be 180 by 4, that is 45 degree. Here you have to solve in the last. Clear? As you have written ki 2b is equals to 180 degree, it is wrong. This angle is 2b. This angle is B and this angle is also B. So according to the angle sum property of the triangle, it will be 2B plus B plus B will be 180 degree. You all have written that 2B is equals to 180 degree. If you will do so, the value of B will be 90 degree, and it is not possible that 180, 90, 90, it will be a triangle. It will be a quadrilateral. Clear? Sum of all the angle of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. And we are on the triangle only. So 4B is equals to 180 degree, not 2B is equals to 180 degree. Clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. So do you want to write or can I erase? Do you want to write it? Or you can do by yourself?
Ma'am, we do by ourselves.
One. What about others? Why others are not responding? Ah,
Ma'am, do it by yourself.
you will do it by yourself. Okay, good.
Yes.
So let's see now how we will find the solution of the equation. Why you are very late, Pratyush? Huh? Vartika, she is in the class. Vartika, are you present? Malaika, Akansha, Ansh, Pankaj, Shruti, Swamil, Aman, Naman, Yash, Rohit, Veer, Vaisnavi, Astha, Pankaj, Sonakshi. So Vartika, she is not in the class, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see how we will find the solution of the equation. Okay. So the first one is, two methods are there for this, for finding the solution of any equation. The first one is the transposition. Transposition one, and second one by applying the same operation both sides. By applying same operation on both sides. By applying the same operation both sides. Note it down. First one is the transposition method. We will transpose the numbers from left to right and right to left according to the question. And the second one by applying the same operation both sides, in the right as well as in the left. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Noted. So let's see the transposition method first. LHS is equals to RHS. Already in the equation it is given. LHS is always equals to the RHS. Now, what we have to do in the transposition method, if any term is given in the left hand side with the positive sign, we are talking about the term, please remember my point. If any term is given in the left hand side with the positive sign, then when you have to transpose it to the right hand side, when it will go in the right hand side, so the value of term will be negative if it is positive, and if it is negative in the left hand side, it will become positive in the right hand side, that term. If it is in the multiplication, then it will go in the division in the right hand side, and if it is in the division in the left hand side, so when you will transpose it, it will go with the multiplication in the right hand side. Positive will change in the negative, negative will change in the positive, multiplication will change in the division, and division it will change in the multiplication. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
And please
No,
remember,
ma'am.
I am talking about
No,
the term.
ma'am.
आप एक सिंगल, if it is written ki 2x, so 2x the term is the 2x, so you will not transpose like ki we will transpose 2 and x will remain here. If the question is written ki 2x plus 3, so whole the term, either you want, if you want to transpose, either you transpose 2x or you can transpose 3, both. If it is written ki 2x minus 3, so we have to transpose the term first. आप यहाँ से 2 को ट्रांसपोज नहीं करेंगे, 2x लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ से 2 को हम ट्रांसपोज करते हैं उस साइड, आप पूरा टर्म एक साथ ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. 2x है तो आप 2x को पूरा ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, एंड इफ इट इज 3, सो वी हैव टू ट्रांसपोज 3. So please remember this point ki positive will change in the negative, negative in the positive, multiply in the division, and division in the multiply. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see the question.
Yes.
For example, it is x minus 5 is equal to 7. X minus 5 is equal to 7. We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. तो आप यहाँ पे जनरली करते क्या है कि the first step is that कि put the variable one side and constant another side. ठीक है, वेरिएबल को आप एक साइड रखते हैं और कांस्टेंट को दूसरे साइड ले जाते हैं. So here as you can see, 5 is the constant, 7 is the constant, and x is the variable. Now we have to transpose 5 in the left hand side and in the right hand side. In the left hand side, 5 it is with the negative sign. So when you will transpose it in the right side, it will come with the which sign?
Ma'am, positive.
It will come with the positive sign, yes. Now
Positive.
it will be x is equals to 7. Whatever the number is given first, you have to write, and after that you will write those numbers which are transposing. So 5 you have transposed, plus 5 it will be. So the value of x, it will be 7 plus 5, that is 12. Clear? If the question is x plus 7 is equal to 2, x plus 7 is equal to 2, again the same thing. This is the constant, this is the constant, and this one is the variable. Same process you have to apply. 7 will be transposed to the right side with a negative sign, minus 7. So the value of x is equal to 2 minus 7, that is minus 5. Clear? Note it down all these things.
Noted.
Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Noted.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now one more question. If it is 2b is equal to 4, 2b is equals to 4. Now between 2 and b, we have to separate them because we have to find the value of variable b only. So between 2 and b there is the sign of multiply. Now 2 will be transposes to the right side in the, it will go in the division. So the value of b is equals to 4 divided by 2. The answer will be 2. The value of b is equals to 2. In the same way, if the question is c by 7 is equal to 3. As you can see, 7 is in the division. When it will transpose to the right, it will go in the multiplication. So it will be 3 multiplied by 7. The value is 21. Clear? Is it clear or any doubt? Do you have any problem or is it clear?
It is clear.
It is clear.
Note it down.
Yeah.
Okay, note it down. This is the first method. So 4 questions I told you on the first one. So let's see the second one. Done, noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see the second method. The second one is applying the same operation on both sides. Applying the same operation both sides. We have to apply the same operation both sides. For example, it is given x plus 5 is equal to 7. Clear? X plus 5 is equals to 7. We have to apply the same operation. So let's see now. We just want the value of x only. So we have to remove 5 from here. हमको यहाँ से 5 को remove करना है. So how we will remove it? 5 is positive. In the positive it is given. If we will subtract 5, so only x will be here. So if you want to, if you will subtract 5 in the left, so same thing you have to do in the right also. So you have to subtract 5 in the right also. So it will be, you can write ki subtract 5 from both sides. You have to subtract 5 from both sides. So x plus 5 minus 5 is equals to 7 minus 5. After this, x plus 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, that will be 0. So it will be x plus 0 is equals to 7 minus 5, that is 2. So from x plus 0, that will remain x only. So from here, as you can see, the value of x is equals to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Noted? Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Note.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. If it is, if the question is seven minus x is equal to 8. 7 minus x is equals to 8. Fine. Now again we want the value of x only. Here 7 is with the positive sign. So again same thing we have to do. We have to subtract 7, then we will get x only here, this side, in the left. Subtract 7 from both sides. So 7 minus x minus 7 is equals to 8 minus 7. So minus 7 plus 7, that will be 0. The answer will be minus x. Minus x is equals to 1. Now here, as you can see, it is minus x is equals to 1. Clear? But we want the value of x only. But here it is minus x. So what we can do? Can any one of you tell? What we can do? We would just want the value of x only. Here it is minus x. So how we can remove this minus sign, negative sign? How we can remove this negative sign? Please tell. In the integer I told you, in the chapter integer. How we can remove this negative sign from left? Please tell the answer. How we can remove it, this negative sign? Hmm? Either you can multiply or divide with the minus 1. Because 1 is the multiplicative identity. Whenever you will multiply 1 by any number, so result will be same. So by minus 1 you can multiply or divide. So minus x upon minus 1, I am dividing it, and 1 upon minus 1. Negative negative will be cancelled. So from here you can see the value of x is equals to minus 1. Any problem? Is there any doubt? If you want, you can multiply also. Minus x multiplied by minus 1 is equals to 1 multiplied by minus 1. So minus x minus 1, when you will multiply, the answer will be x only, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. And multiplication of two negative number, it is always positive. It means that here minus 1 into 1, again it is minus 1. From here also you can get the value of x, that is minus 1. Either you will multiply or you will divide. Clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No, we cannot add them. Samil. So which method is better for you? Either the transposition one or applying with the
First
normal?
method, transposition method.
First one is better than the second one. Okay, good. So try to solve question number 1 and 2 of exercise 4.2. It is the homework for you. Question number first and second of exercise 4.2. Actually, these are the mental mathematics type questions. You can do it without the pen and paper also. In the first one, the value of x will be 1. In the second one, the value of x will be minus 1. In the third one, the value of x will be 6. In the fourth one, the value of x will be minus 4. It's very simple. You all can do. So question number 1 and 2, it is the homework for you. First and the second one. Now you can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye bye.